What is up, robots, cyborgs, and other mechanoids? Rusky here, and we are about to unbox Dragonzord, or Dragon Caesar, if you prefer that. Both are fine by me. As you see, I've completed the Super Mini Pla Megazord here. Turned out really good. You can check out my 360 video if you want to see a better version of him instead of my badly lit stage here. But yeah, so let's kind of, you can see we got a small box for the mini Pla. And I paid $44.95 for them, a little less than that. Got them at Barnes and Noble, but yeah. So this one does merge with the other one, so that's gonna be great. Be better to see these in a outside of the Super Mini Pla line, but not bad. Already kind of just peeked at it already. Sorry. But yeah, so again, this one though, unlike the other one, you know, it's just one piece, so it was just sold as just one unit. We'll take out these runners and show them to you. Alright, so we'll kind of just go through these in order that they were in the bag. The first one being the chest plate, which is just one solid piece, though I know that it comes apart. I believe once you attach it, it'll just pull. Oh, okay, so yeah, it already does that. Okay, interesting. Alright, but yeah, so pretty straightforward on that. I think goes like that. So very good. And then small gold runner for some of the part separation, which is nice that it has a better part separation than the Megazord parts did. We got one of the gray runners here, runner E, and just like the Megazord, pre-painted headpiece already there. You can see that. So, and painting already on the eyes, which is nice, which means I'm not going to need to, there's not going to be decals for that like there was in that. I think because this one was a little more expensive on its own because it was about the price of the Megazord itself. That is a nice green. You can see where some of those gold parts will interlay. And there's ridging here, so you could paint the details. I don't think I'm going to spend the effort to do that myself. But yeah, not bad. Not bad. More of the gray runners here. You can see details for the tail piece and joints. I think that's all the tails parts. Crest at the top. Also have the chest piece, shield, parts overall. Sea runner. Not bad. And we have some dark, I think, flat out black parts. We got the head. Runner A here. Not bad. And another black runner. Detailed. This is the part I don't like about the Mini Pla, is that they actually like mold the made-in stuff on the actual side. I may sand that off, even though I didn't want to do too much. I just don't like that. It's just not good overall. And then the last one, part for the when you make the shield into that weapon. Yeah, there is a decal sheet. A decent amount of decals on here, but they're not like color apps that are missing. They're detailed parts that would be otherwise difficult to paint. You can paint it, and I think I'm just going to stick with the decals for this particular kit and just panel line and top coat it. And then it actually has 2 instruction books. So this manual is just the assembly, which is not overly complicated. But yeah, so pretty straightforward on that. And then the final instructions is the transformation for both forms, both changing it into its Megazord form, and where it makes the Mega Ultra Super Fantastical Zord. That's the official name. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to building this and completing the set. I know they made Titanus, and no, I'm not spending that money on Mini-Pla. Well, I'll stick with this, and that'll be great. Alright, see you guys. Bye.